Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove BMW 4 Series rear bumper step by step. Start by parking on level ground, engage the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid electrical issues. Remove tail lights and access screws, then loosen plastic clips along the wheel wells. Support the bumper with a helper, detach electrical connectors for sensors, and carefully pull the bumper straight back to avoid scratching paint or braking tabs. Gather the right tools like Torx bits, trim tools, ratchet, and a panel clip remover before starting work to save time. Inspect fasteners as you remove them and keep them organized in labeled bags. Check for hidden screws behind inner liners and under the bumper. Use a flashlight to spot clips and plastic rivets so nothing is forced or broken during removal. Take photos as you go to help during reinstallation and verify sensor wiring routes before final assembly. Quick recommendation: if you like helpful car guides, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more practical walkthroughs. Also, a casual note about the product seen here: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading manuals and repair guides easy when you're away from the garage. Check the description for the link and other deals, and don't forget to subscribe and like if this helped. Now let's get back to the video. Inspect bumper tabs and mounts for damage and replace any broken clips to ensure a secure fit. Reconnect sensors and tail light connectors, test functions before fully tightening bolts, and align bumper gaps evenly by adjusting mounts. Tighten fasteners to firm snugness, but avoid over-tightening plastic clips. Double-check that trunk close and latch functions operate smoothly before finishing with a quick wash to remove fingerprints and installation marks. Keep extra clips and screws on hand for replacements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.